Hello friends, welcome once again to Sapima tutorial. Please, if it is your first time on my page, kindly consider following my page, like my videos and share to your friends. Thank you very much. I have a problem on algebra on the board and they are in two brackets and I am asked to expand the brackets. So let me show you one of the simplest ways of expanding brackets in this manner. I have x here. I'll take it down. Copy the second bracket and paste the way it is. That is x plus 3. I close brackets. Then I'll take the 9 in the first bracket and write outside with its sign. That is minus 9. Copy the second bracket again and paste close to 9. X plus 3. Having done this, we use the values outside and the variables to multiply in. X multiplying x will give me x squared. X times 3 will give me 3x. We come over here. Minus 9 times x will give me minus 9x. Then minus 9 times 3 will give me minus 27. Next, I'll have x squared. 3x minus 9x will give me minus 6x. I'll bring down my 27. Minus 27, and that becomes my answer. Very simple and cheap. Let's solve another problem. M plus 3, M plus 2. Let's do the same thing we did here. First, I'll take M out, open bracket, and copy these two guys and paste here. M plus 2. Then take 3, which is the second and the first bracket, put it outside. Copy the second bracket and paste again. Plus 2. Alright, you multiply. M times M gives me M squared. M times 2 will give me 2M. 3 times M is 3M. And then 3 times 2 will give me 6. Therefore, these two middle guys can add 2M plus 3M. This will give me 5M. Bring down 6 and M squared. And this becomes our answer. Let us play around with this one. I have two different variables this time and a square outside. Since I have this bracket in two places, this power 2 says this bracket is in two places. So let me bring out the two brackets. I'll have 2y plus 3x. Close bracket. The second one, 2y plus 3x. Close bracket. Since this same thing appeared two times, then we expand. Take this first 2y outside. This is 2y. Open a bracket, copy these guys and paste. 2y plus 3x. Take the second in the first bracket, that is plus 3x. Copy and paste. 2y plus 3x. We multiply everywhere. 2 times 2 is 4. Y times y is y squared. 2y times 3x will give me 6xy. Plus 3x times 2y will also give me 6xy. Plus 3 times 3 gives me 9. X times s gives me x squared. Then we look out for like terms that can add. These two will add because they are like terms. Therefore, I will have 4y raised to power 2 plus 6xy plus 6xy. I'll add these two guys and take the variable down. That is 12xy plus this guy comes down raised to power 2. This becomes my answer. Alright, I have this problem x squared minus x minus 6 and we are asked to factorize it. Factorization is the opposite of expansion. To factorize this problem here, I'll look out for two factors of 6 that I can add to have minus 1. If I multiply it, I will have negative 6. So we talk about the product and the sum. What can I multiply to get minus 6 and what can I add to get minus 1? We call it product and sum. Now, can I say that if I multiply minus 3 times 2, I will have negative 6? And if I have minus 3 plus 2, I will have minus 1. Therefore, the two factors of 6 that will give me minus 1 when I add and negative 6 when I multiply at 3 and 2. So I will use them and replace negative 1 that is here. That means I'll be having x squared minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. Looking at this now, from here to here, what I have in actual sense is a negative 1, because minus 3x plus 2x will give me back my negative x here. The next thing I'll do is to group and factorize. Group these two, group these two. Whatever you have here and here that are common, bring one outside. Since I have x in two places here and have x in one place here, I'll bring one outside. 1 remains inside minus 3, nothing remains here again. Now here I have 2 to be common between 6 and 2x. Therefore, I'm bringing 2 outside. I'll have x minus 3. Take note that whenever you are factorizing, whatever you have in the bracket here must appear here. They are always equal. So at this point, I'll take the ones that are outside the one bracket, plus 2, and then since the same bracket, these two brackets are the same, I'll take 1. This becomes my answer. 6x squared minus 2, 9, 4. Factorize. To simplify this, I'll look out for the common factor between 6x squared and 294. If I check out very well, 6 can divide 294. Therefore, 6 is inside here. I'll bring it outside. X squared remains here. 6 divided 294 gives 16. Alright. We can further expand it as x squared minus 4 raised to power 2, because 16 is a perfect square. Its square root is 4. Now I have difference of two squares inside this bracket. Anytime you have two values subtracting each other and the both of them are squared, we say they are difference of two squares. Now when we have such a problem, to factorize it, we simply say x minus y and x plus y. That is the factorization. So we can apply it here. 6 remains outside. I will now say x minus 4 and x plus 4. And this is the list I can go on this factorization. This becomes my answer. I have another interesting problem here on the board. Looking at it, it is looking complex, but let's just simplify. It is as easy as others. I have 350x cubed plus 220x squared plus 30x divided by 10x. Simply use 10 and distribute under all of the expression. I'll have 350x cubed all over 10x plus 220x squared divided by 10x plus 30x divided by 10x. Having achieved this, we divide. Of course, from here, x will cancel x, 0 will cancel 0, I will have 3 remaining, plus x will cancel 1x inside the 2x that I have here, and I will have 1 remaining. 0 cancels 0, I will have 22x, plus x will cancel 1 inside here, it will remain raised to power 2. 0 cancels 0, I will have 35x squared plus 22x. So this is the division of these values by 10x. Thank you very much for coming on board once again. I remain Sapima Tutorial. If it is your first on my channel, I beg you subscribe and share my contents to your followers. Thank you very much and God bless.